Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this heavy duty silicone zinc infused body scrubber. I've already been using this for a month now, and this is a great body scrubber to have if you want to clean your body properly and take off all the dead skin cells. So let's get into it and let me show you how this product works and looks. So you can see right here, it's a high quality silicone body scrubber. It has like these little balls right here that pretty much massages and cleans you as you're scrubbing it. Has some soft bristles here also. You have like a little area right here to hang it, and you even have a convenient handle right here, so that way that it's not going to fall off. And so it fits my hand very nicely and comfortable. And you can see here, it's very easy to clean. You could move it a little bit just to take out whatever dead skin cells, hairs, or soap from the bristles once you're done. And this works very well. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great heavy-duty silicone zinc-infused body scrubber. I like that it has this handle here, so you can hold it comfortably and it's not going to fall down or fall off. I like how it has this little hook so you can hang it so it can air dry. I also like how it has these little balls here that it massages you as you're scrubbing your body, and these little bristles feel soft and comfortable right here.